How to post long video on your Facebook story. Posting long videos on your Facebook stories is quite easy and simple. Just you have to make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, go ahead and open Play Store and search if there is any update of Facebook, because if you don't update your Facebook app, then you won't be able to use the latest features on the Facebook app. So as you can see, here is update button. Simply you have to tap on update and wait for a while until the application gets up to date. Once you are done with updating your app, go ahead and open Facebook and then make sure that you have signed in on your Facebook app. So posting videos on your Facebook story gives the limit of posting the videos basically around the limit of 20 to 30 seconds. But if you'd like to post long videos which is more than 20 to 30 seconds and post like 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute long, then you can simply select create a story at the top left corner of this Facebook. And as you can see, here are the different limits or different length videos. You can select any one. Suppose if I wish to select 2 and 8 seconds video, let's open it. So as you can see that we already have brought this video. If you wish to change or customize this video, you can easily add the stickers, text. If you wish to trim, you can also select trim, audio effects and many more. And then you can select the share button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can select OK. And here as you can see that it has been sharing to our Facebook story. You need to wait for a while until you post the long video on your Facebook story. As you can see that the video has already been successfully uploaded in our Facebook story. So that is how we post the long videos on our Facebook story. Even the limit is up to 20 to 30 seconds. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.